Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade Parakeet AI subscription step by step. First, log in to your Parakeet AI account using your email or Google account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your email or profile icon. This will take you to your account settings page. Now in the account settings, look for the subscription option. Click on it and you will be redirected to the subscription management page. Here you will see different available plans based on features, usage time, and pricing. Take your time and review all the plans carefully. Each plan offers different benefits such as longer interview sessions and advanced AI responses. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you select a plan, click on the buy subscription or upgrade option. After that, you will be taken to the checkout page. Here you need to enter your payment details such as your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing information. Make sure all your payment details are correct before proceeding. After entering the information, click on the Pay button to complete your purchase. Once the payment is successful, your account will automatically upgrade and you will be able to access all premium features instantly. So overall, upgrading your Parakeet AI subscription is very simple if you follow these steps carefully.